Hi, this is English Unlocked. Today we listen to real English, simple English, daily English. Just listen. People talk every day, not long conversations, short sentences, small talk. This is how real life sounds. Imagine a normal day. You see someone you know. You smile. You say, hi, hello. Someone asks, how are you? How are you? This is very common. You answer, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm fine. The other person asks, how's your day? How's your day? This means, is your day good? You answer, it's good. It's okay. Not bad. Not bad. Listen again. How's your day? It's good. Sometimes people say, how are things? How are things? This is friendly English. You answer, good. Pretty good. Okay. Pretty good. Now listen to a short conversation. Hi, hi, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm good. How's your day? Not bad. Very natural. Very real. People don't speak fast here. They speak calmly. Now another situation. You are leaving. You don't stay long. You say, see you later, see you later. Or you say, have a nice day, have a nice day. Listen, see you later, have a nice day. This is daily English. You hear it at work, at school, in shops, on the street. Now listen again. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. How's your day? Pretty good. See you later. You don't need to answer fast. You don't need to think. Just listen. Your brain is learning. Slowly. Naturally. Just listen. Take your time. It is a normal day. People meet for a moment. They don't stop for long. They say a few words. That is small talk. You meet someone in the morning. You say, good morning. Good morning. The other person answers, good morning. How are you? You say, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. Then you hear, how's your day so far? How's your day so far? This means, how is your day now? You answer, it's good so far. It's okay. Not bad so far. Listen again. How's your day so far? It's good so far. Later in the day, you meet someone again. You say, hi. They ask, how are things? How are things? You answer, good. Pretty good. Okay. Listen to this conversation. Hi. Hi. How are things? Pretty good. And you? Good. Very simple. Very natural. Now it is time to go. You don't stay. You say, I have to go. I have to go. The other person says, okay. See you later. You answer, see you. See you later. Listen again. I have to go. Okay. See you later. See you. This is real English. People use it every day. At work, at school, with neighbors, with friends. No long sentences. No difficult words. Just calm English. You hear these phrases again and again. Your brain starts to know them. You listen. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How's your day? Pretty good. See you later. Slow, clear, real life. Just listen. Sometimes people talk. At the end of the day, not much energy, just a few words. You meet someone in the afternoon. You say, hi. They ask, how was your day? How was your day? This means, tell me about your day. You answer, it was good. It was okay. It was busy. Listen again. How was your day? It was good. Someone answers, it was a long day. It was a long day. This means, the day was full. You say, yeah, I understand. Listen to this conversation. Hi, how was your day? It was busy. Yeah, very natural, very real. Now the day ends. People say goodbye. You say, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Or you say, have a good evening. Have a good evening. Listen. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Now listen to a full small talk. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. How was your day? It was busy. Yeah. See you tomorrow. See you. These are real conversations. Short, simple, everyday English. You don't need to remember everything. Just listening is enough. Your brain is learning how English sounds. You listen to calm English, real life English, simple small talk for everyday situations. Hi, hello, how are you? How's your day? It's good, not bad, pretty good. See you later. See you tomorrow. This is how people speak in real life. Slow, natural, easy. Thank you for listening to English Unlocked. You can listen again anytime. Just relax and listen. See you soon.